Today during your phonics word study lesson, you recognized and used number-related prefixes. You used the prefixes mono, mon, uni, bi, and tri to represent 1, 2, or 3. Today, for your practice, you are going to play a prefix matching game. You will choose 2 cards at a time to reveal the word underneath. For instance, we can reveal the word unicorn, which has the prefix uni. And let's do this one, which is trio, tri. Those prefixes do not match, so we're going to replace the card and try again. Let's use this box. Unicycle, uni, is my prefix, and I just uncovered this card to know that it is unicorn. So those 2 match. I'm going to move my cards down to my discard pile and go again. When you get finished, you are then going to create sentences using the prefix words that you just uncovered. So I am going to choose a word that begins with uni and use that in a sentence. For instance, I just uncovered unicorn, so I could write, I wish I could see a unicorn in my sentence. You will do that for the other 4 prefixes. Submit on Schoology when finished.